gese ken gede bara find ira ifan kiren su ira
Oh.
bore yan fanga ko itan comprimé gese kiren tongo no mare kiren tongo comprimé yan fanga gese kiren no mare kiren e ba fahamu ina fare tar ma bien ko ala santé amaka
Allez.
Sogo. Aye, Sogo. Isimbo, my friend.
This is my friend, Musa.
How are you? I'm well. Good trip?
Yes.
Sit down.
How are you?
Very well.
Musa, this is yours.
Yes, mine.
Oh, Musa, it's been too long.
It has.
How are you?
Very well.
Yeah. Look at how elegant you've gotten. Yeah. Musa.
Mon ami,
My friend, I am glad to see you back home after your long studies and to see you set up a pharmacy to serve our community as the healer for the whole village. Really? I took care of many people while you were gone, and I plan to help you. We'll work together and get rich. Musa, don't tell me you don't believe in the healing power of our medicinal plants.
I don't doubt them. You know, almost all these pharmacy drugs come from plants. But they went through a long research process before getting here. I know that you are a good guy who wants to save lives, not harm people.
Of course. That's why I want to help you. So, tell me more about this long process for developing medicines.
Developing new medication involves a long scientific research process. This is true for lots of things, whether we are talking about creating new drugs or other health products.
Like on TV.
Right. And there is also research to better understand what causes diseases or how they spread. How to help people protect their health, or to better organize, manage, and evaluate health programs.
But I don't see why I couldn't also develop a medication for my people.
Let's talk about drug development, this interest of yours. That process is tightly regulated and supervised and can take up to 10 years. This process can cost a lot of money. Scientific rigor must be respected at all stages and at all levels of the process. There are teams set up to ensure correct procedures are adhered to. To prepare them for the work, all scientific teams must be trained in good practices. Good participatory practices, good clinical practices, good laboratory practices, and good manufacturing practices. Research starts long before clinical trials can happen. First, there are preclinical tests to study and to learn what molecules could cure patients or help ease the symptoms of the disease in question. This part of research is done in the laboratory. Once promising molecules or ingredients are found, they need to be tested, first on cells in the lab, then on small animals like mice and larger animals like apes.
I did not know that.
Even if a drug seems safe in animal testing, there is no guarantee that it will be safe for humans. So, after the preclinical tests, the candidate drug has to be tested in humans. Those tests are called clinical trials, and they include 4 phases: During the first phase of a clinical trial, we look at how the drug affects healthy people. Doses are gradually increased to identify the maximum dose that can be given without serious side effects. At this point, there may only be about a dozen healthy volunteer participants.
That's important.
Phase 2 trials look at whether the drugs help patients with the disease. The results from phase 1 are used to determine what dose to give to participants. Researchers continue to monitor participants to see if they experience side effects and how serious they are.
Now I understand.
At this point, there are more participants, 25 to 100.
100 people.
That's right, my friend. Phase 3 trials assess whether the new drug is any better than the ones that already exist. Is it more effective? Is it easier on the body? During this phase, the effects of the drug and any adverse effects are documented on a large scale with hundreds or thousands of participants.
That's a crazy number.
And that's not all. Researchers compile a dossier with results from all of the studies conducted to this point and submit it to national regulatory authorities so that these also evaluate the medical value of the new drug. Only after all these steps have been taken can a drug be offered to the general public. And even once the drug is on the market, it continues to be monitored by authorities who track its effects and effectiveness as part of phase 4 trials.
Musa, you really know your stuff. Well, it sounds like the process for assessing new medication is an expensive one, but possibly life-saving.
New drugs often have side effects. It's important to ensure they are not life-threatening. New drugs should only be brought to market if they provide benefits that outweigh the risks involved. These research steps are meant to ensure the quality, safety, and efficacy of the drugs that make it to the market. And when that's all done, researchers must share their results with the study participants and authorities.
Old friend, it's too bad that I can't help you, but I am glad for the information that you shared with me.
Hey, it looks like you have an infection.
I hurt myself with my machete.
Grab your things and come in. Come.
Viens.